Hey y'all, it's Kennedi Shianne and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing this Kinky Curly VPart wig. Like, this wig is my go-to. As y'all can see, she gets treated a little bit rough, but the curl pattern is so perfect and I love her if she's fresh or when she's matted. So let's get into it. I'm doing this style with leave out and I'm doing the middle part, so I just have a braid down the middle of my head and I'm just going to go in, attach the clips just around the part that I'm leaving out.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just...
So once the wig is secure on my head, I'm just going to go in and start detangling. For the detangling process, I'm just using water and a dentin brush. So the detangling process, I haven't detangled this wig since the last time I wore her, which was months ago. So she has just been in a bag in my closet getting matted. So this process was a bit much. If your hair is this matted, I would recommend using a leave-in conditioner while you're detangling it. That probably would have made a lot of difference. Now that I'm finally done detangling this side, I just go in with some mousse and then leave-in conditioner, and I just work that throughout the curls. When it comes to making sure that my leave out and the weave is blended, like, I do not play. I am a perfectionist. It gives me anxiety. So I take this part very serious, and I would really recommend this method, especially with like a kinky curly unit. So what I do is I just do like a little fake braid out at the top of the V-part wig. That way it'll blend my hair that I'm actually braiding out when it's time to take everything out, if that makes sense. This way, it just makes sure that the actual curls are matched, because my braid out, leave out, and then like the kinky curly texture, like, it'll blend good enough, but I want it to all look like a braid out and all of it to match. Y'all, that is so funny. Look at the difference between when it's matted versus when it's detangled. Like, these are two different hairs.
Depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.
Now that I'm finished detangling this side, I'm just going to go in with the same exact process of mousse and then leave out conditioner and then a fake little braid out.
figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth.
So once the hair is detangled fully and then I have my little fake braid out going, I just go let my hair dry for like an hour or two while I'm doing things. And then I finally come back and we are taking the braids out. Make sure your hands are nice and oiled when you're taking your hair out, just to, you know, help limit frizz and breakage. Okay, so y'all, do you see the blend? Do you see the blend that I was talking about? Like, look at the bottom curls and then look at the V part that we braided and then look at my leave out. Like, you see why all of those steps was necessary? Because it just blends so much better, like, to where I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, is my hair blending? And a plus about doing it this way is it is heat free. Like, you don't have to put any heat on your hair. So I think this is so perfect. So boom, baby hairs, curls popping. I love it. This is almost the final look, but I just went in and cut a little bit of the ends off just because I wanted to look a little bit more full and a little bit more even. Okay, y'all, so now that we're at the end of the video, do y'all love this hair as much as I love this hair? I think she is so cute. I love the effortless. I love the no heat. Like, she's just so cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.